This is for knee and hip circulation, but also to strengthen the psoas, that big hip flexor. And then with one hand on or behind each knee, as you inhale, move the knees and arms length away, soften the belly. Exhale, lift the pelvic floor, draw the belly in and up as you draw both knees into the chest. Inhaling, knees move away, belly softens. Exhaling, abs in as you draw both knees into the chest. Inhaling, knees move away, belly softens. Exhaling, abs in as you draw both knees into the chest. Inhale, knees move away, belly softens. Exhaling, abs in as you draw both knees into the chest. Inhale, knees move away, belly softens. And then exhaling, abs in, drawing both knees into the chest, holding them there. And then just notice if your shoulders are creeping up. Try to keep the shoulder blades soft on the floor and let the arms do the work. Very slowly roll your head to one side and then back to center and over to the other side. Then coming back to center, set the left foot on the floor. This is for knee and hip circulation, but also to strengthen the psoas, that big hip flexor. We're going to keep the left foot flat on the floor to stabilize the pelvis. Arms can relax by your sides. We're going to move that right leg, so pay attention to the tracking. As you inhale, extend that leg straight out about an inch off the floor, pressing out through the heel. Exhale, abs in as you lift that heel towards the ceiling. Draw the toes towards your face. Inhale, parallel to the floor. Exhale, knee to chest. Inhaling, extending that leg straight out, pressing out through the heel. Exhale, abs in as you lift that heel towards the ceiling. Inhale, parallel to the floor. Exhale, knee to chest. Inhale, extending that leg straight out. Exhale, abs in as you go straight up. Inhale, straight out. Exhale, knee to chest. Inhaling, extending that leg straight out. Exhale, abs in as you go straight up. Inhale, straight out. Exhale, knee to chest. And then one more time. Inhaling, extending that leg straight out. Exhale, abs in as you go straight up. We're going to pause there. Feel free if you'd like to interlace your fingers behind your thigh. Slowly point and flex your ankle. And then maybe rotate the ankle a few times, going both directions. Take an inhale, press up through the heel. As you exhale, hug that right knee into the chest. We're going to keep that drawn in, and then you have the option to keep your left leg bent or extend that left leg along the ground. If you extend it, really press out through the heel. Take a couple deep breaths here, trying to soften the shoulders. And then we're going to do hip circles, but a little bit differently this time. Rather than doing the full smooth circle, we're going to relax our arms by our sides. Take the right knee out to the right. Keep the abs in as you extend the heel away from you. Then bring the right knee over towards the left as you draw it back up into the chest. And then back out to the right. So it's almost like a slow motion. Pressing out through the heel. And then drawing that knee back up, taking it slightly to the left. And then out to the side, extending the leg long. Taking the leg back over towards the right and into the chest. And we're going to reverse that. So taking the leg from the chest over a little bit to the left, back extended down, back out to the right, and then back into the chest. A couple more times like that, taking it across to the left, extending it out. Taking it out to the right and into the chest. And then one more time over towards the left, extending the leg straight. Knee comes out to the right and back into the chest. Give that knee one more hug. And then we're going to bend the left leg, place the left foot on the floor, set the right foot down next to the left. Pause for just a moment. Maybe take a moment to notice the difference between each leg. And then when you feel ready, draw the left knee up to the chest and we'll move that leg free form. First, give it a little hug just to be nice. Then release your hold, relax your arms by your sides. Inhale, you're going to telescope that left leg straight out about an inch off the floor. Exhale, abs in as you lift the heel towards the ceiling. Inhale, parallel to the floor. Exhale, knee to chest. Inhaling, extending that leg straight out, pressing out through the heel. Exhale, abs in as you lift that left heel towards the ceiling. Inhale, parallel to the floor. Exhale, knee to chest. Inhaling, extending that leg straight out, pressing out through the heel. Exhale, abs in as you lift the heel towards the ceiling. Inhale, parallel to the floor. Exhale, knee to chest. Inhaling, extending that leg straight out. Exhale, abs in as you go straight up. Inhale, straight out. Exhale, knee to chest. One more time, inhaling, extending that leg straight out. Exhale, abs in as you go straight up, pausing there. Maybe interlacing your fingers behind your thigh. Slowly point and flex that ankle. And then rotate the ankle a few times each direction. Take another inhale, pressing up through the heel, and then exhale, hug that left knee into the chest. Option now to extend the right leg along the ground, but if that hurts your back, keep the right leg bent. Taking a couple breaths here. Then we're going to release our hold and do those hip circles on this side. So starting with that left knee up at the chest, take it out to the left, extend it down, and then draw it slightly over to the right as you bring it up into the chest. And then again out to the left, extending it down, bringing it slightly to the right as it comes back up. And one more time in that direction. Then once you're up at the chest, we're going to take that left knee across to the right, extend it down, take it out to the left, back into the chest. And then across to the right, extending it down, back out to the left, and one more time across the body, extending it down, taking it out to the left, and then drawing that knee in. Keep that knee in. You're going to bend the right leg and hug the right leg in. Give yourself a little hug.